Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you the final snippet roll that I've been working on, and this is a 15-foot snippet roll. Now I did a few of the last touches on a video previous to this, so if you want to see that, you can find that link below. And I do have two other videos making snippet rolls, but I did not record me making this one. But yeah, let's get into it. I have a little pin here just holding it shut just for fun. This is something that I made for my patrons, and so I'm actually going to be cutting it up. So I really wanted to document, because I put so much time and energy and love into this lovely snippet roll, and so I just wanted to roll it up and see it one last time together. But I just thought it'd be fun to go through and take a really close look at all of the pieces. And if you're curious, like, I'm not exactly sure how big the pieces will be that I am chopping off and sharing with my 40 patrons, but it'll be big enough to put like a little pocket into a junk journal or something like that. So yeah, here we go. I put lots of little buttons, and you'll see lots of different fabrics and laces. Now, one thing that I did that made this snippet roll so easy was I made the snippets separate, and I did film a video making, let me roll that, making snippets with you guys, and so some of these may have been the ones that I made in that video. I don't quite remember, but basically that is my little tip for you. If you are wanting to make a snippet roll and you are feeling you know, like you're feeling intimidated by the process, I highly recommend just going ahead and making little layered embellishments or snippets on like lace or maybe fabric. It could even be paper, really. And then it's just so much easier because there's not as many steps to putting your snippet roll together. And if you guys really want to see another process video of me making a snippet roll like this, where I would do where I would make the snippets ahead, and then I can show you everything else that I did, I would be happy to do that in the next couple weeks, because I really want to actually make another one of these for myself. And even though I do have two process videos making snippet rolls, like each and every time I feel like I learned something. So and just, I'm telling you, making the snippets ahead really made a world of difference. See, like for instance, this right here, so just the lace, the gold paper, and little stamp, that was a snippet. But you can see that I have fabrics behind. I added some decorative sewing. I added like this little envelope as a last minute kind of thing. I added this brad as a last minute. Everything's a last minute. I guess as a final touch. And so you can see how starting out with a little snippet that's rather simple can really make this gorgeous snippet roll by some really simple and easy steps. I left a lot of the bulb pins that I added on here with no buttons or beads or bells, because I wanted this to still be somewhat flat, not two-dimensional, so that it could ship rather well in envelopes. And so, whoops, sorry about that. So I did hold off on adding too much dimension, but I did add a good amount of buttons and stars. That was what I added with you guys on the last video where I worked with this piece. So I've got a little bit more to go here, but I'm hoping that when I actually do make another one, I can look back and get inspiration for myself, I guess. But just because I love this one so much, I would really love to make one that's similar to this. Which reminds me, I need to get some more of the botanical die cuts. Those are when you see the little butterflies on here, or a lot of the florals, those are from the Tim Holtz pack. And I love these pink satin butterflies. Got those from Happy Mail, and I still need to figure out where she got those from. But it's really fun to add a few little, like, either tuck spots or envelopes, I think, because it's just a fun element to add for sure. And got little florals. Another thing that I would love to have before making one next time is more fabric flowers. So that's another thing that would really make this really beautiful. But at the same time, I feel like I did really well using the things that I have, and I used up so many scraps this time, mostly with making the snippets. I used a lot of scrap paper, and so it was nice to use that up in a way where you feel like your final project is really pretty. Oh no, my battery light is blinking. So we are to the end. Now I get to cut up this beauty and share it with my patrons. I hope that you guys got inspiration from this. I want to end the video before it turns off on us, but I hope that you all have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.